Today our topic is how to solve if we have two equations. That means if we have two equations, how are we going to deal it? So remember, in maths, if we have two equations, we have three methods. If we have two equations, we have three methods. The first method is called the substitution method. Substitution method. The second is called the elimination. The second is called the elimination method. And the third one is called the cross multiplication method. The third one is called the cross multiplication method. So the first one is the substitution method, the second one is the elimination method, and the third one is the cross multiplication method. Now, when we have two equations, either we are going to use substitution, elimination, or cross multiplication method. So we have just three methods. Out of these three, we are going to apply just one. So today we'll be learning how to solve two equations by elimination method. So let's start. Solution: thrice x plus 4y is equal to 10. Now the first one, you just make it first equation. Say it first equation. The second one, twice x minus twice y is equal to 4. Make it to be equation 2. I hope till here it's clear. Now let's move to the next. So now how are we going to do? Now elimination. By elimination, what do I mean? Elimination means eliminating. It means removing. It means taking out. Now let me look to my equation. Now here my variable x and y. In the first equation I have two variables. In the second equation I have two variables, x and y. That means I have two variables. So out of these two I have to throw away. I have to eliminate. I have to take out either x or either y. So how are we going to throw away? Now let's check here for x first. Now how am I going to throw away x? Look, if I want to make these two same, here x is 3 times, here x is 2 times. That means I have to make it these two same. That means here 3 times, 2 times. These two is not same, so I have to make these two same. So how am I going to make same is like this. Now since I want to make it these two same, so I'll be multiplying whatever in front of this x, the coefficient of x, I'll be multiplying whatever number is here, I'll be multiplying to the top, to the first equation, like this. Thrice x plus 4y is equal to 10. And the second equation is twice x minus twice y is equal to 4. Now like this, I'll be multiplying like this. These two will multiply to the first equation, and these three will multiply to the second equation. So that means what I say here, what I told here is I'm going to multiply everything by 2. Equation 1, everything by 2. And I'm going to multiply the equation 2, everything by 3. That means here like this. Equation 1 was like this. 4y is equal to 10. That means I'm going to multiply everything by 2. Here the second equation was like this. Twice x minus 2y is equal to 4. What I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply the second equation everything by 3. Look here. Now if I multiply 3 2 is 6x, 2 4 is 8y, 2 10 is 20. So here also same. 3 2 is 6x, 3 2 is 6y, 3 4 is 12. Now this is how we multiply. See here 6x, I made x same. You can make even y also same. Okay, if I want to make the y same, then now here in front of y 2 is there, here in front of y 4 is there. That means I'm going to multiply equation 2 by 4, everything by 4, and equation 1 everything by 2. Same thing, whatever number in front of the variable you are going to multiply by that. So what I'm going to do is, see, let's check here. My equation 1 was 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. Now what I said, equation 1 I'm going to multiply by 2. And equation, what was my equation 2? Twice x minus twice y is equal to 4. I'm going to multiply everything by 4 if I want to make y same. So now 2 3 is 6x plus 2 4 is 8y is equal to 2 10 is 20. 4 2 is 8x minus 4 2 is 8y equal to 4 4 is 16. So I can make, see, now let's check here, 8y 8y. In this case y is same. Either you can make y to be the same or x to be the same, any one, choice is yours, but not both, only one. So now I have explained out here already now, so let me go directly. Now what I said was I'm going to multiply equation. If I want to make it x same, I have to multiply equation 1 by 2, and if I have to multiply equation 2 by 3. So let me do it. So that means 2 3 is 6x. Okay, so if you want to write here, you can write by words, or if you don't want to write also, it's okay. But since, okay, now let me write it down. Multiplying equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 3. Why I multiply equation 1 by 2 and equation 1 by 3? Because I want to make x same. Then now let's start multiplying. 2 3 is 6x plus 4, okay, so sorry, 2 3 is 6x, 2 4 is 8y is equal to 2 10 is 20. Now I have to multiply equation 2 by 3. That means 3 2 is 6x minus 3 2 is 6y, 3 4 is 12. Now let's check here, x is same. Now see, here nothing means it's plus, here minus, here nothing means plus. That means 12 has plus sign, 6 has minus sign, and this 6 has minus sign. So what we are going to do is, if the last line, just check the sign of the last. If this is plus, just make it minus. If this is minus, just make it plus. And if this is plus, make it minus. Just change the sign. Why I am changing the sign? I'm changing the sign. It means, what do I mean by changing the sign? By changing the sign, I mean I'm subtracting. I'm subtracting this equation, this and this. So now here plus sign, but this become minus. Now the sign for this is, it will be this one. The sign for this will be this one. The sign for this will be this one. Not this anymore, not this anymore, not this anymore. So this is plus, this is minus. Plus minus, these two will get cancelled because same. So I have removed, I have eliminated. Now this is plus, this is plus. So plus 8 plus 16 is plus 14. Y is equal to, okay, minus. Now what I'm going to do is plus 20 minus 12. It will become plus 8. So y is equal to, here 8. Now 14 will come, since 14 into y. If it is multiplication sign is there in between, it will come down. So 2 4 is 8, 2 7 is 14. Therefore my y will become 7 by 4 by 7. Now since I have the value of y already, now I can put the value of y in equation 1 or equation 2. Choice is yours, you can put anywhere. So choose in such a way that the number which is less, you choose it, so that it for simplification it will be more easier. So now let me put the value of y in equation 2. Equation 2 implies, what is my equation 2? Twice x minus twice y is equal to 4. Implies 2 into x. So sorry, 2x minus 2 into now y. Instead of this y, I'm going to put, because the value of y is 4 by 7, so I'm going to put here 4 by 7. So which is equal to this side, 4 is there. Now twice x minus, now I'm going to multiply 2, 4 is 8 by 7, which is equal to 4. Implies twice x is equal to 4. Now this is minus, when it will go this side it will become plus 8 by 7. Now twice x is equal to, now we are going to simplify this side. So this is 4 plus 8 by 7. So I have like this here. So how are we going to plus it? See, this is fraction. If a single term is fraction, then everything is fraction. So you can put here 1. If you put here 1, so you can take the LCM. Or here, since this is fraction, everything is fraction, and this don't have the denominator. So if here there is no denominator, you just multiply it like this, 4 and 7 directly. So that means I'm going to multiply 4 into 7. So plus 8. Since downside 7 is there, just put it 7. So 7 4 is 28 plus 8 by 7. It will be 36 by 7. So now I have solved already out there, so I'll be doing directly. Now as I say, 7 4 is 28 plus 8 by 7. Implies twice x is equal to, okay, it will be 36 by 7. 28 plus 8 is 36. Implies, so sorry, not, this is not 28, 2x. So now 2 I have to remove. X is equal to 36 by 7. So since this is multiplied 2 into x, that means now whenever there is a multiplication sign, it will come down. So it will come down, 2 will come down. So now we can cancel. 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 8 is 16. Implies x is equal to, or we can say therefore x is equal to 18 by 7. So this is the value of x, and this is the value of y. So what we were supposed to find. So we can conclude like this. Hence x is equal to 18 by 7 and y is equal to 4 by 7. This is my final result.